Hey guys! What's going on? My name's Kenny,
I'm Jenny.
and if you're new here, please click subscribe. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today we are going to Stevenson Falls with the man Jamie. We're actually running late, so we're gonna scoot.
I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
But I'm excited to whip out the drone again and hopefully not crash it this time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so we actually forgot our camera in the car, so this vlog would just be drone footage. We hope you enjoy it, but it was a really good day and it's probably the best waterfall that we've ever been to in Victoria, so if you guys get the chance you should check it out.